Little monkey. Hi, sweetie. How you feeling? You sick little girl. I am sorry, little monkey. She made it through the night, thank God. She has been eating and drinking. I just opened up her can of food, but she wasn't interested. Yes, little monkey. I love having you back here with me. You can be right next to me. She's priceless. I know her sister is. Yes. Such a beautiful kitty. Bet you got some spilled milk on you. Spilled on the bed. Anyway, so she's alive. That's all that matters. I love you, little monkey. Yes, look at that pretty tail.